What's up, guys, and welcome back to Bikup Entertainment. So we want to look at the issue of Musa Mseleko and Samke Kwela. And it seems like Musa Mseleko is like had enough, of this Samke Kwela drama. He has been given, like a run for his money by Makumalo Mayeni and Mangwabe, and he has had enough of it. He is done. So Mseleko has expressed his frustration and is done with this drama involving the fifth wife. So looking at Musa Mseleko, the apparent wariness on him, it indicates, that the persistent conflict and resistance from his current wives regarding the fifth wife has taken a huge toll on him. So the result from this tension is that Musa Mseleko is not going to be expanding, he is like family even further. He is not going to be taking a sixth wife because what he has gone through in getting the fifth wife is just way too much to handle. So for him in getting a sixth wife, it's just not worth it anymore. So that is the result of what I'm seeing because of this tension that he has been facing from his wives. So what we can see is that Mseleko has learned a huge lesson, and there is a shift in his perspective, with regards to taking another wife, because he is now acknowledging, that he has to consider what his other wives are thinking. But then again, human beings can change. Even though the current situation, is suggesting that he has definitely learned a lesson and has had enough about the complexities and the emotional impact of adding another wife. Only time is going to be telling us if he is like truly permanently changed in his approach to expanding his family. Because this is a polygamous man, so another person would come in and say that, you know what, a lesson learned is premature at this moment. And another person would come in and say, definitely lesson learned here. So in my conclusion, what do I say? Lesson learned due to the significant drama, but future actions would confirm